like I'm feeling like a man. Lately, can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fan, yeah.
Hey y'all, so we're gonna jump right in. Today I'll be rocking a unit from KlaiyiHair. This is their honey blonde highlight lace front wig. It's ombre jerry curly. Get into it. Love it. It looks so good. So yes, I like to use my old stocking cap because y'all know I don't do the ball cap method and it just works for me. So mind your business. Wig cap, stocking cap, whatever it's called. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray some got to be glue, freeze spray. I did cut the lace off camera and I also sprayed the inside of the wig with some lace tinting spray. I'm using the band that they provided to go ahead and lay the unit down. The hairline is pre-plucked, but it's not that plucked to me, so you may have to go back in and pluck it yourself. I'm just going to go ahead and create some baby hairs. So it is a 13 by 4 and it is 180 density, so I went ahead and made me some baby hairs myself just to cover my low hairline, obviously because this unit is a different color from my natural hair. So I'm just curling them up and I'm going to take a little bit of edge control, which I used to didn't do, but it really does work and it doesn't lift the lace. So yes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and swoop the baby hairs around, get them right, get them tight, how I like them. And this is 100% virgin human hair. And yes, y'all, this is one of the easiest wig installs that I've ever done, to be honest. And I'm just doing like the flip over method, and I'm gonna spray the hair down with some water. I decided not to do a part, even though I'm gonna be wearing majority of the hair to the side. So yeah, I'm just spraying it down so I can go ahead and add some mousse just so I can show y'all how defined these curls can get. You can add some gel or some curl enhancing smoothie if you want them like to stay defined all day, but I don't mind this hair getting big. I think it looks so good. Know me, one thing about me, I'm gonna leave that side tab out for a little sideburn action on my wig. And yes, you guys, the hair is giving, is definitely giving. Hair is 24 inches. They do offer it longer. I think this hair looks really pretty in this length and it has so much body, and look how free flowing it is. Super pretty unit, super bomb, especially for my brown skin girls. Get that melanin popping, okay? Hey, big girl, so we have now made it to the end of the video. As you guys know, this unit is from KlaiyiHair. This is their honey blonde highlight jerry curly unit, and it is so pretty. I feel like it looks so good on my skin tone. Y'all, this hair is so freaking soft. I don't know what they did to this hair, but this hair is so soft even after it being colored. It is a 13 by 4 and it is in 24 inches. Y'all, this hair is giving, this is giving summer vibes. It's definitely giving Beyonce. It's definitely giving Beyonce, but I think it looks so pretty on my brown skin. Like, I'm really feeling myself. I was a little skeptical about this one, but y'all know I've been changing it up and I've been trying the flavors lately. I've been into the flavors, but I really like this. I think this looks really, really bomb on my skin tone. Like I said, it is a 13 by 4, so you can put it up in a ponytail and stuff like that in the front. It did come in the middle part, but y'all know I'm more of a side part girl type of, I'm a side part gal, but I didn't actually put this in a side part. It's just kind of like, I guess, a flip over in a way, because I didn't part it. So that's just what it's giving, and I thought that it looked really pretty this way. Very realistic. I love this. This is so beautiful. Like, I didn't have to tone it or nothing. Like, this is like the perfect highlight. And I love how, like, even when it's like big, it's not like wild or anything like that. Like, this is so beautiful, and the definition is bomb. Y'all, they did that thing with this unit. Honestly, I don't have no cons about this unit. It was easy for me to apply. The hair is super soft. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I did create a few little baby hairs or whatever. You may want to go ahead and pluck it a little more if you like, but I didn't pluck it, but you definitely can go in and pluck it some more. But it's a very beautiful unit, so it gets an A plus for me. Very short, simple, straight to the point. Like, I feel like the hair is definitely speaking for itself. It's a giving. It's giving. No, I couldn't apply this glueless. My head can be a little weird. This is 150 density, so I feel like it's the right enough density, the right enough body. It's definitely giving. It's definitely giving body, yada, 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 yada. It's giving body. It's giving cute. It's giving Love this, love that for me. No, but for real though, y'all, this unit is bomb. So that's all I have to say about it. It gets an A+ for me. It's bomb. I'm loving it. Yes, you guys, the hair is speaking for itself. I mean, I don't really have much to say besides it's bomb. It's an A+. So make sure you guys check out KlaiyiHair. Everything about them will be in the description box below. The hair that I'm rocking will also be in the description box below as well. So make sure you guys check there. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.